How to make your dream come true. 1. Set achievable goals. Break your dream down into small goals that you can achieve step by step, like practicing your sport every day or reading a book on medicine every week. 2. Take action. Take action to make progress toward your dream, like practicing your skills or talking to people who can help you. 3. Learn from others. Learn from people who have already achieved similar dreams, and use their experiences to guide you. 4. Overcome obstacles. Don't let setbacks stop you. Keep pushing forward and find solutions to overcome any obstacles that arise. 5. Stay committed. Stay committed to your dream, even if it takes longer than you expected. 6. Persevere. Keep working hard, even if it seems difficult or takes longer than you thought. 7. Celebrate your successes. When you achieve a goal or make progress toward your dream, celebrate your success and reward yourself. 8. Keep learning. Keep educating yourself on your dream and the things need to know to achieve it. 9. Stay patient. Remember that making your dreams come true takes time, so stay patient even if progress is slow.